What is up guys, Cage here. Today I want to be discussing NGL, Entangle. The last video of mine about this coin, we've analyzed it when the price was right here and we've predicted over a 200% push. I will also put on the screen that I've bought it as well. So yes, we are playing this shit and we're not just analyzing. So let's get into the technicals so we can check out what's next for NGL. Let's start by following our 3-day structure. We have our low, we have our high, and we've made a lower low. So this was our downtrend right now. When do we break the downtrend? When we can see a gain of this high here. When have we gained this high? In my opinion, that's over here, because a wick above structure is not a gain, it's just a liquidity hunt. An open and close above the structure, that is a gain of the structure. So what we saw from there, from this low on out, we've made a higher high, a higher low, and another higher high. So looking at our 3-day structure right now, we are still bullish. And what do we do in these uptrends? We have our low to protect and we have our high to break. So as long as we do not break this low, expectation order flow will be to get a rotation again towards this high here. Because trading in consolidations, trading in accumulation or a distribution in the making, that is my way of trading. So definitely check out my channel so you can see more of that. So this is NGL really. All you have to know is as long as we do not break this low, we can go up and we can start going for this high again. If NGL is really bullish, then yes, we will hold this low. What can we expect on the more lower time frame here? Well, let's start drawing in our structure from the high up towards the bottom. Let's look at the 12-hour for this. We have our high, we have a low. We failed to break this high, so we've made a lower high for another lower low. So our black market structure here is our high time frame market structure, which is most likely to hold. But if we cannot break this red market structure towards the upside, then we will never get the confirmation that we will get a rotation towards this high again. You can also look even more locally towards this. That on the 4-hour that we have our low, our high, a lower low, and then we have broke structure towards the upside. Where have we broke our structure? That's right here. Because a wick is not a break from our trend, no, it's just a liquidity hunt until we have a candle opening and closing above the structure, then it's a valid break. So based on the 4-hour, what can we expect next? That's another higher low for another higher high to possibly get this break of this 12-hour structure and then get a rotation towards this high here. What's positive about this chart is that we have left our highs open. What does that mean? It means there's just liquidity on the highs. If the market really wanted to go down, we would have need to use this liquidity, so get a liquidity hunt above this high and then get a rotation towards the downside, because this is the way the market makers need to fill their orders. They need to stop people out, just like right here. There's a lot of liquidity here and there's just stop losses below these lows. So the bullish market makers need to stop these retail players out for them to fill their own positions. What can I recommend for any spot buys? Of course, this is no financial advice, but I'm just sketching situations the way I would look at the market and possibly step in again. This looks like a lot of liquidity to me. And yes, we are still rejecting that 12-hour structure here. So what I would be looking for is another pop in this liquidity and then a strong push in high volume towards the upside again. And that would be my moment to buy. This is also near the low we protect and then we can trade towards the high we need to break. Also a situation I want to sketch in is what the market loves to do is get everyone out of this move, tap quickly below that low because there's the most liquidity there, because that is our extreme low, our low to hold. But once again, if we just get a wick below that low, we have not broken the low, but we have grabbed all the stop losses that people have placed in this move up, So the market makers have filled their order on the retail players to then fill their own positions and push the market up for a new higher high, as long as we do not have a 3-day candle opening and closing above this level, because our structure is valid on the 3-day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more crypto analysis, definitely leave a comment and suggest me some coins. I'll see you on the next one.